episode of the Moss Family Freezer Saga. So it's been a couple of days since I updated y'all on the freezer. So if you get way down in there, you can still smell it a little bit. If you've missed all the episodes of the Freezer Saga last week, well, it happened before last week. Somehow the freezer got unplugged. Like I said, I think something just fell behind it and knocked the plug loose. And nobody noticed it for several days until we started smelling the smell. We searched for the smell. One day when Jonah wanted a Hot Pocket, he came in here to see if there were any in this freezer, and we found the smell. There was catfish in here. That's what it was. It was terrible. Now it's not as bad anymore, but there is still a little bit of a smell if we get way down in there. So the other day, I looked for a drain pan because a few of y'all said there might be a drain pan somewhere. This one doesn't have a drain pan or anything, but there is a little hole in the bottom, and some of y'all told me when I showed the bottom that that looks like a drain hole. And then on the front, there's this little knob. Now, the other day, I did twist this and try to, you know, see if I could do anything with it, and it didn't do anything, so I thought, well, maybe it's nothing. But then after a few of y'all told me that that hole in the bottom looks like a drain hole, I looked up some videos, only found one, like on all of YouTube, I only found one video showing how to drain a deep freezer, and it wasn't this kind, but it still had this same kind of knob thing. So we're gonna see if we can get this off and if there's anything in there to drain out. The only thing I'm wondering is that now that I've plugged it back up, and it's all cold again, would anything that would be down there be frozen now? I don't know. We're about to find out. I mean, it has this little arrow here. Like, this is why the other day when I twisted this and it did nothing, I was just like, okay, maybe, oh, I think I got it. It's loosening. Okay, so nothing's coming out. Okay, yes, there is some freezing action going on. So there could be some stuff in there that needs to drain out, but it's frozen at the moment. Maybe that's what's going on, because like I said, I mean, you have to stick your head way down in there to even be able to still smell the smell. So that's what's making me think now that it's coming from the bottom, you know, like it's deep down in there. We'll unplug it, open the lid, let it drain out. Now it's breakfast time. We're gonna make sausage, egg, and cheese English muffins this morning. So I'm gonna do everything out here. I'm gonna cook the sausage, the eggs, and toast the muffins. It's very warm out here already this morning, y'all. Titus had to leave early this morning. He had an early appointment, so he's already gone. I'm just gonna bust the goats, and we're just gonna do fried eggs for these. They're a little easier to put on the breakfast sandwiches than scrambled. They don't fall off everywhere. Listen to Miss Turkey. She's calling for you.
Yeah, so I go pick her up.
You go. I don't know if you can pick up Miss Turkey. She weighs more than you. Six again today. This spring-like weather means happy chickens and more eggs. Good morning, Roosty. Miss Turkey. All right, y'all, we're back inside now. Everybody's getting started with their lessons. While they're doing their schoolwork, I'm gonna be making 3 different kinds of muffins. Had some bananas that I needed to do something with, some carrots, and some blueberries. So I was like, what can I make with bananas, carrots, and blueberries? And then mainly ask for a chocolate chip muffin, and I had a revelation. We're gonna make 3 different kinds of muffins, and whatever the kids don't eat for snack time today, we'll put in the freezer, and then whenever I want muffins for breakfast, we'll just take them out the night before, and they'll thaw out and be ready for it in the morning. Oh, you're relaxing? He said he's relaxing this morning. All right, so we're gonna make carrot cake muffins, perfect for spring. Also, lemon berry muffins and banana chocolate chip muffins, perfect for any time. Really, they're all perfect for any time, but carrot cake and lemon berry, they just speak spring. All right, which one do we want to start with first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We'll do carrot cake. That's the one I'm most excited about. You You are? Already this morning? You ready for a nap? First, we're gonna get the carrots ready, and as I peel them, I'm just dropping it into this little bowl. We'll feed this to the chickens later. These are all three gonna be one bowl easy muffins too. I mean, you can do the separate bowl thing, but you can also do it all in one bowl.
Don't wake me up.
Don't wake you up? Okay. If you take a nap, I won't wake you up. I actually love peeling carrots. I still have some more, and I think I'm gonna make some kind of roast.
Carrots.
Yeah, bunnies do eat carrots.
Yeah.
Chicken treat. Now I'm gonna take my little mini food chopper to chop up the carrots. Y'all know what I forgot to do this morning? Y'all aren't gonna believe this. I forgot to make some coffee. I must have been still sleepy, Manny.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you can do it.
Oh.
Now let me tell you about carrots.
What?
Oh, there's Roosty.
Yeah. So
Carrots.
I love Roosty.
Yeah, you love Roosty. Carrots are really loud.
Yeah. You need to cover your ears anyway.
Yeah, you press this button right here.
See, it's not really that loud.
Yeah, it's not that loud, huh? Do a
Yeah.
little bit more.
See? It's not that loud.
That's it. Good job.
You're welcome.
Okay, do you want to be putting the liners in the muffin tin for me?
Yeah.
What color do we want to use for the carrot cake ones? White?
White.
Now, for the carrot cake ones, we're gonna make an icing to go on the top. Cece wants to make that. So when we get to that part, she'll come over here and make the icing for us.
Yeah.
All right, we need a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. That was good. Oh. Now we need half a teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna eyeball this.
Oh, about this?
Yeah. Now we need 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Did you eyeball it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we need half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1.5 teaspoons of
It
baking
smells
soda.
really good.
Does it? All right. I'm gonna get half a cup of melted butter. All right. Here come the eggs. You ready? Butter. Teaspoon of vanilla. We eyeballed that, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the batter in the muffin cups. Now we're gonna sprinkle some more of the pecans over the top. And we're gonna put just a little shake of cinnamon sugar. And that's it. These are going in the oven at 350 for about 22 to 25 minutes. While they're cooking, I'll clean up this mess and go ahead and start on banana chocolate chip or lemon berry. Eeny, meeny, miny, lemon berry. Okay, for the lemon berry ones, we need 1 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna whisk all that together. Okay, we're putting in 1/3 of a cup of melted butter, a tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So we're gonna take this lemon that we zested, and I'm just gonna squeeze in 2 tablespoons. We'll just eyeball that. And now we need half a cup and 2 tablespoons of milk. We'll mix all of this together, and then we're just gonna fold in a cup of blueberries. You can use frozen or fresh. All right, now the lemon berry batter is ready, so we'll just sit it over to the side. Since the carrot cake ones still have a little while, we'll go ahead and mix up the chocolate chip banana batter. He's got some powdered sugar, and normally we use heavy cream for this, but we're out of heavy cream, so we're using half and half. So the inspiration for these carrot cake ones came from Dunkin' Donuts, because for spring they have this new carrot cake muffin. We're gonna drizzle the icing over the top just like theirs. So we're just gonna drizzle it on just like that. Good? Yeah, that's good. Cece's gonna hold it for you and you squeeze. Good job. You want the one you did?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, everybody's trying the different muffins. They're all good, but I think carrot cake is winning out of all of them. If I was just gonna eat one of these though, I would pick the lemon berry, only because I just really like lemon stuff. You want another one?
Yeah.
The carrot cake is Manly's favorite.
See how it's